Meaning of gerontocratic.
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 Gerontocratic. The word gerontocratic describes a society or system where the elderly hold a disproportionately high level of power and influence. This term is often used to describe political systems where older individuals hold the majority of government positions or decision-making authority. The result of a gerontocratic system may include policies that primarily benefit the interests of the elderly population, potentially leading to neglect or underinvestment in the needs of younger generations. Additionally, it may limit diversity and innovation, as power remains concentrated among a narrow age group.